Not sure where you let off, but anyway, so what happened when the, I don't know if you caught that. I put the rubber tape, I thought the rubber tape, spraying the rubber tape over the letters would seal them down, but it did not. It actually melted them. So I want to get all this crappy letters. So between the fact that they fell off when I deflated it, so now we are permanent. We now have permanent letters on here. This is how I solved it. If it had been a hard wall bolt, that would have worked fine. Yeah. There we are. All right. That's Elizabeth. And we have searching for. I've got to fix that for a little bit better than that. And there are my boat colors. So I did the same thing on the other side. I'm just keeping you up to date as to what's going on. So now I'll go roll this up, put it in the back of whatever I want, and go on our way. I hate running around with a trailer in the back, but you know, I think the next boat I get is probably gonna be a John boat. I got a lot of money. I got a lot of money invested in this stupid trailer. So, of course, new axle, and you saw that video of bearings and all that stuff involved in doing this trailer. You know, I got paid $100, but I think I got $200 in freaking axle and wiring. But anyway, all right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next Searching For. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me some thumbs, subscribe, and share. If you need something that needs to be searched for right now in the New York area for 2023, look in the description for my phone number and text me. And we'll catch you on the next Searching For.